So hello guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Instagram and how to download it. So the first step is, first you go to App Market or a download station in your phone. So now just search Instagram. Once you see it, then install, then wait and wait. Don't worry, it will just take a seconds or a minute. Then just wait and wait. Once it's done, just wait for the installment. Wait until it pop open. Just click the open right there. Once you get open, you just wait for the load. Once it pop, just click the create new account in the bottom area of the screen, like a circle. Then once you create new account, just wait, then this pop up. Just click between mobile number or sign up with email. You can just click where I click the sign up with email. So fill up the email, what's your email. Then once it's done, just click next and proceed to the next step. So there you go. Now just when you're new, there's a lot of notifications, so just click OK or agree. Now I will teach you how to go in your profile. Just click the circle button at the lower part, then there you go, you are in your profile. Now if you want highlights, just click the plus button, then there you go, you can click the highlights you want and add what you want. Next, just click the home button. There you go. Now if you want to watch clip movies, just click the icon beside your profile. Now you can scroll it and enjoy the short clips in the feed. Now if you want to watch your friends My Day, just click their profile, then just click and scroll. Just tap, go forward or press, tap, just like that. Done. Now if you want to add a friend, just click the magnifying glass at the bottom. Just search your friend IG name or their account. There you go. You can message them or stalk them, view their posts or like their posts. Then click the home button. Then if you want to add a photo or video, just click the plus button in the lower part. Just allow it so you can see the photos in your phone. Then just or a post or a story or reels, just like that. So if you want to see your message or send a message, just click the message at the top, just like that. You can see who is messaging you and who is sending you a message. Then the upper part, you can see their notes or what their mind. Then if you want to see the notification, just click the heart upper part of the cell phone. There you go. Then home button. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something in my video. If you are a first timer, just watch this video. Thank you everyone. Thank you Elmar. Boom.